Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the core components. Install the latest Nvidia Game Ready or Studio driver. This fixes many shader timing issues. Once done, open GeForce Experience and disable the in-game overlay. Overlays can conflict with capture. Next, set your recording format to MP4 and pick a stable encoder like H.264. Using a consistent frame rate prevents dropped frames and micro-stutters. Make sure Windows and your capture software are closed and restarted before proceeding to the next. You should now align capture and display settings to eliminate timing mismatches. Match your monitor refresh rate and capture FPS. If you run 60 FPS, record at 60 FPS. Once done, test VSync versus G-Sync. Enable VSync to see if tearing or flicker stops, because variable refresh can desync frames during capture. If the GPU is saturated, lower the capture bitrate or resolution. Reducing encoder load often removes flicker by preventing dropped encoder frames. Finish by isolating remaining variables. Perform a clean boot and disable background recording apps. Conflicts often appear only under load. Try switching encoders. Test NVENC hardware encoder, then test X264 software encoder to determine if the GPU or the encoder path causes flicker. Once done, if flickering continues, roll back to the previous Nvidia driver that was stable. Driver regressions happen. Quick troubleshooting tip. Record a short raw clip after each change to confirm whether the fix worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.